Hold up.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Charles Light to the Virginia/North Carolina border out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Cape Charles Light to the Virginia/North Carolina border out 20 nautical miles. Caribbean Sound. Coastal waters from the North Carolina/Virginia border to Caribbean Beach Light, North Carolina out 20 nautical miles. Waters from the North Carolina/Virginia border to Caribbean Beach Light, North Carolina 20 to 40 nautical miles until 5 p.m. At 3:46 p.m. Severe thunderstorm producing waterspouts was located near Deal Island, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Hot Dog area off Virginia Beach, Horseshoe, Chesapeake Light Tower, Caribbean Sound, Anglo-African Wreck, Virginia Beach Oceanfront, Sand Bridge, Caribbean Beach Light, Nuts Island Bay, Buoy for Adridox, Deal Island, Fish Hook, South Tower, Triangle Reef, Caribbean Beach, 10 nautical miles east of Virginia Beach Oceanfront and Ruddy Inlet. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
This came out of the fucking blue, I tell ya.